When you set big goals and you commit to a sustainable international project, you need to put together the right team and create the perfect conditions for your project. That is exactly what Soudal has done at its headquarters in Belgium. Research and development and innovation are Soudal's main driving force. At the R&D Center of Excellence, Soudal's specialists create high-quality products such as silicones, glues, PU foams and sundry, and other products for construction, DIYers, and industry. Vic Swerts established the company in 1966 based on a philosophy of driving innovation and quality. He turned Soudal into a world player. Today, Soudal has grown into an internationally renowned company with production facilities and sales points all across the world. The production facilities are remarkable for their large scale and high-tech machinery, top-notch technology for top-notch products. Through its worldwide network, Soudal spreads its highly diversified range of high-quality products designed for retail, construction and industry. This enables Soudal to respond quickly and flexibly to the specific needs of local markets. In every corner of the world, Soudal employees offer customized solutions to the customer. That is what Soudal does. The focus is on the customer in a rapidly evolving world. Soudal connects, protects, seals and glues. But there is something else at Soudal that forges connections. Its employees, who every day around the world give it their best.
Nazywam się Gerard Samoliński. Moją pracą jest zarządzanie grupą ponad 15 ludzi, którzy zajmują się wszystkimi dużymi sieciami handlowymi w Polsce. Sekretem sukcesu Soudala w Polsce jest to, że pomimo iż Soudal jest dużą firmą międzynarodową, bardzo dobrze wkomponował się w lokalny rynek. I bardzo dobrze do tego rynku trafił dostosować swoje produkty, swoje promocje. Po prostu bezbłędnie trafiamy w to, czego potrzebują Polacy. Słuchaj, uciekam. Bardzo Ci dziękuję za pomoc.
Hi, my name's Ian Perrott. People call you a white van man because it's a general term. It means a person like me that drives around in a van doing maintenance. It can be big jobs, small jobs. 95% of our work comes from recommendation. The reason we get a lot of work is because our work is of good quality. And all the products we use are of good quality, from clear silicons to white silicons to fix-all. We use them for sealing around baths, for fixing skirtings, for fixing panelling to the walls. There's that many different uses, the products that we carry on the van. If we use cheap products, we tend to find that we get complaints. If we use good products, easy to use, we don't have to go back and put it right. It lasts for a long time. What we call it longevity. The thing that gives me a great deal of pleasure in my life is to do a good job. And it's just nice to see the customers smile on their faces at the end of the job. We have a saying, there's only one way to do a job, and that's the right way.
Thanks for coming. Thank you.
Okay, I'll send you the bill. All right then?
Yeah, not too quickly.
Oh yeah.
Ik ben Steven, ik ben productmanager bij Soudal voor het window-segment. We zijn hier in de Heldentoren in Knokke-Heist, een nieuwe landmark-project dat bestaat uit 3 torens, waarvan de hoogste 20 verdiepingen telt, vlak aan zee, dus extreme weersomstandigheden en daar zijn natuurlijk wel goede producten voor nodig. Soudal heeft hier een consulterende rol gespeeld. Wij proberen de klant te helpen te ontzorgen in de keuze naar het juiste product. Het Soudal Window System biedt natuurlijk alleen hoogkwalitatieve producten aan die bewezen zijn op labelschaal. Het is ook belangrijk dat ze dat in de realiteit kunnen waarmaken en dat ze dit jaar na jaar kunnen waarmaken. Dus duurzaamheid is zeker een belangrijk aspect van elk product dat wij aanbieden. De voordelen van de producten is dat ze energie-efficiënt zijn, ze zijn flexibel, ze zijn betrouwbaar. Ik ben heel fier op het project. Het is echt een prestigieus project. Toch niet de eenvoudigste omstandigheden en met ons SWS-systeem hebben we daar een gepaste oplossing voor gevonden en de klant is daar ook heel tevreden mee.
Sono Claudio, sono responsabile alle vendite della Soudal. Oggi vado di qui Giovanni. Di qui Giovanni è un grosso produttore di finestre in PVC. La sua qualità è alta, lui produce finestre di alta qualità. E abbiamo un meeting con Bruno, che è responsabile della produzione, e assieme vediamo come possiamo sviluppare o migliorare l'applicazione del 600p. Le esigenze dei nostri clienti sono sempre di più e noi continueremo su questa strada ad aiutare i nostri clienti a risolvere i loro problemi con i prodotti Soudal. Il 600p è un prodotto che aiuta a migliorare le qualità tecniche del serramento, li aiuta dal lato dell'acustica, della termica e della tenuta tecnica del serramento e questi sono requisiti che sono obbligatori per quello che riguarda l'efficienza energetica. Ma lavorare per Soudal è eccezionale perché è una società che continua ad espandersi, ad avere dei prodotti nuovi. Io sono molto contento di lavorare in Soudal, è un'azienda che ti dà un sacco di opportunità e che soprattutto ti obbliga ogni giorno a metterti in discussione.
I'm Manu, the Regional Director of Southeast Asia and India, and we are now setting up a company in Hanoi in Vietnam. Think global, act local. That is what we have been doing in more than 50 countries till date. We need a local team who speaks the language, who understands the culture, who knows how to deal with the local traditions. Our strategy is not only to adapt ourselves to the local market, but to become a local company. We are active in the construction field, in industrial applications, but also in the retail market. There's a lot of opportunities for Soudal to introduce our different products. So it's a lot of field work which needs to be done in the beginning. Customers are reacting positively on the range of products, on the innovation, the solutions that we provide. Soudal is a family-owned business. We think long-term. Every startup is not easy, but we have to go on, we have to persevere. And that is one of the main reasons why Soudal keeps on growing every year. And that's the secret. There's nothing else.
Ben Zeynel, Soudal Türkiye'de büyük bir satış ekibinin başındayım. Türkiye son dönemlerde ekonomik olarak sürekli hızlı büyüyor. Burada da İstanbul'un payı çok büyük. İstanbul'da ne tarafa baksanız inşaatlar göreceksiniz. Yüksek binalar, yeni projeler, yeni konseptler. Bu da Soudal için bir fırsat oluşturuyor. Soudal ürünlerini Türkiye'de bu kadar başarılı kılan güçlü bir marka oluşuyor. Çok ciddi bir Ar-Ge desteğinin olması, ürünlerinin yüksek kaliteli olması ve ürünlerin arkasında ciddi piyasa, sektör, ürün bilgisine sahip satış ekibinin olması. Soudal'ın Türkiye'deki başarısının sırrı bana göre müşteri. Soudal global bir firma ancak lokal iyi dinleyerek çözümler üretiyor. Soudal'la çalışmak bizim sektörümüzdeki birçok insanın hayali. Ben de bu hayali gerçekleştirmiş bir kişi olarak ömrümün ve gücümün yettiği kadar Soudal bünyesinde mücadele etmeye devam edeceğim.
Soudal employees are entrepreneurial, hardworking, innovative, ambitious, persuasive, persistent, and hands-on. That is in the very DNA of all Soudal employees. With an open mind and respect for the local character of each market, Soudal employees around the world translate the philosophy of continuous innovation, quality, service and family values into customer-orientated solutions. Dream, reflect, venture, act and persevere. Then your company can achieve beautiful things.